Every single day, trillions of dollars flow through the global financial markets. For decades, the people making money from this massive movement were human traders sitting on Wall Street, staring at screens, and making split-second decisions based on experience and gut feeling. That world is officially dead. Today, over 80% of all stock market trades are made by machines. Computers running advanced algorithms analyze data, execute orders, and close positions in fractions of a millisecond. For a long time, this powerful technology was locked away inside megabanks and elite hedge funds. But recently, a new wave of retail trading apps claims to give everyday investors access to artificial intelligence trading tools. So how does algorithmic trading actually work for regular investors today? Is it a revolutionary shortcut to wealth, or just a clever marketing gimmick? Let us break down the real science behind the software. To understand how AI trading works, we first need to strip away the science fiction. An algorithm is simply a set of strict rules written in computer code. A traditional algorithm follows simple logic. For example, if a stock drops by 5% in 1 hour, buy 10 shares. If it rises by 3%, sell them. That is basic automation. But artificial intelligence takes this concept to a completely different level. Modern AI trading systems do not just follow static rules, they learn. Using machine learning, these software models analyze millions of data points from the past 50 years of stock market history. They examine price movements, trading volumes, corporate earnings reports, economic statistics, and even daily news headlines. The AI looks for complex patterns that human eyes could never spot. It searches for subtle signals that usually happen right before a stock goes up or down. Once the machine detects a pattern with a high probability of success, it can automatically place trades on your behalf, faster than a human could ever blink. There are 3 main types of AI tools available to retail investors right now. The first type is sentiment analysis. Believe it or not, these AI models read the news and social media. They scan millions of articles, tweets, and forum posts every minute. By analyzing the words people use, the AI measures the overall mood around a specific company. If the public mood suddenly turns overwhelmingly positive, the AI can buy the stock seconds before the price spike hits the main news networks. The second type is automated pattern recognition. Instead of reading news, these algorithms only care about charts. They track price indicators like moving averages, relative strength, and order volumes. Human traders used to sit and draw trend lines on graphs manually. The AI does this continuously across thousands of stocks at the exact same time, execution ready in a fraction of a second. The third, and most common tool for everyday people, is the automated robo-advisor. These platforms use AI to continuously rebalance your investment portfolio. If one part of your portfolio grows too large and risky, the software automatically sells a small portion and reinvests it into safer assets. It operates 24 hours a day, keeping your risk level perfectly balanced without you ever touching a button. Now, this sounds incredible. So what is the catch? Why isn't everyone using AI to become a millionaire overnight? First, there is the problem of institutional speed. The multi-billion-dollar hedge funds on Wall Street do not run their AI on home computers. They place their servers in the exact same physical buildings as the stock exchanges. This allows their signals to travel through fiber optic cables at near light speed. By the time a retail AI app running on your smartphone spots an opportunity, the Wall Street computers have already executed that trade tens of thousands of times and taken most of the profit. Second, AI is only as good as the data it learns from. When unpredictable events happen, like a sudden global crisis or a surprise government policy shift, the historical data breaks down. An AI model that performed brilliantly for 3 years can suddenly lose money very fast because it is facing a situation it has never seen before. Third, many popular apps use the term AI purely for marketing. Some basic trading apps claim to use revolutionary artificial intelligence, but under the hood, they are just using basic old-school formulas. So, what is the bottom line? AI trading tools are incredible for removing human emotion from investing. Panic selling during a market crash is the #1 mistake retail investors make. A computer does not feel fear, greed, or panic. It simply follows the math. If you use AI to automate a disciplined long-term strategy, it can be an extraordinary asset. But if you expect an app to act like a magic money button that beats the market every afternoon, you are setting yourself up for a costly lesson. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point finance concepts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.